There you go. Right there. Okay, deep breath. And out. Right here. Let it go here. Relax. Okay. Perfect. We'll just. There we go. Great. Okay, let's do. Right there. Okay, so we're just going to relax your neck. Let your head come out of the hole there. Great. And out. Relax here. There it goes. Good. Great. Looks great. Okay, so we're going to contact this right there. Okay, roll, relax. There we go. Good. Good, good. Okay, this is the sacrum into extension. There it goes. There we go. Great, great. Deep breath. And out. Okay, relax. There we go. Great. All right. Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah, I felt a lot of relief right there.
Wonderful.